Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you guys what happened to those seat belts after got repaired when I got them in mail, and my bad experience. Hopefully you guys don't have to deal with this, so you can learn from my mistakes. So these are the seat belts from 2013 for the F150. If you're new to my channel, click subscribe, click bell, because I'm gonna show you how to install them, how to remove them, and there's gonna be a lot of more things about for the F150 and other vehicles. So they repaired and replaced those I guess gas chambers, those things on the side. Not sure exactly what they do though, but they lock up the seat belt. And there they zip tied it, one end, the other one already removed. So when I got it, I opened it up, started to install the driver's side, and I realized it doesn't fit in. Why is it would not fit in? So as you can see, not sure if camera can pick it up, the difference. You see how that orange plastic thing is not really around that aluminum casing, you know what I mean? It's kind of off a little bit. Then I'm going to show you on the passenger side. You see how it goes around completely? Completely different story. So when I try to plug it in the vehicle, it won't let me plug it in. And what I noticed, it's cracked. So after I got it, I tried to insert it and I couldn't, because the male plug would not fit inside there. So what happened? I started realizing, because like I showed you on the passenger side right there, that orange piece, it's all around aluminum casing. Here, it's cracked right there, you see? See if I can show you guys. Not sure the camera can pick it up, but it's cracked. It's cracked and it's probably broken on the inside, who knows? And it doesn't go around as it is. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. On the passenger side, you see that right there in the middle plastic piece? That was there, that right there. It's on the driver's side, but here it's cracked. Look how damaged all this on the side here. Look how everything is scratched and damaged and cracked and loose. Well, I contacted the company, and the response that I got was not really good. And besides for this, there's another crack on the side there, right there, you see? Not sure if camera can pick it up, but there is a crack up there too. So they were giving me a hard time. I didn't want the money, I want them to fix it. So they won't fix it. They start giving me this nonsense. This is not a problem. Just fix it yourself. You know what I mean? Just remove it and realign it and things of that nature. So I'm like, what did I pay you guys for? For what service? You know what I mean? For garbage or just good service? So, and I was back and forth with them through emails, and you know what I mean? Went to the website, and I'm like, you guys guarantee satisfaction, 100% satisfaction guarantee. They're like, yes, we do, so we're gonna refund you. So they won't fix it, but they give me such a hard time, until I'm like, guys, you guarantee quality work, but you guys won't even stand by. And they're like, yes, we do. So they refund me the money. So that's my issue. And then when I was reading their warranty, their lifetime warranty is a joke, because they refunded me the money, so all the work that they did, they would not guarantee anymore. And they can deny a warranty for any reason. Absolutely any reason. If you read their statement online, any reason they can deny the service. Just because they might not like your voice or something, and they will deny the service. So that company is a joke. Definitely would not deal with them again. If you have to send your seat belts or your SRS module, just make sure this is what they did, you know what I mean? They applied silicone. Hopefully it's reset. It should be reset, otherwise, you know what I mean, they won't be in business too long if they're going to be doing that kind of garbage. Do research, read their policy, read their warranty claim. Oh, another thing, they guarantee 24 hours turnaround service. That's a bunch of nonsense. That's really lie. I can't even express more. I don't have enough words to express how dissatisfied I am with that statement, you know what I mean? So it wasn't 24 hours turnaround. It was much longer. You have to deal with those companies, do research, don't be in a hurry, you know what I mean? So that way you can save yourself a headache. Because I'd rather deal with a company that honest, that don't promise you satisfaction guarantee, doesn't give you lifetime warranty, but guarantee their work, you know what I mean? Instead of lifetime warranty, but they can deny warranty for any reason they wanted to. They don't have to give you a reason why. That's how lame their warranty is. So subscribe to my channel, enjoy, leave a comment. What's your experience with those seat belts? You know what I mean? If you had any issues in the past. And good luck. Thank you.